So, Colonel, kahit ikaw po yung nagsimula ng investigation,
Yes, Your Honor.
you were not the one who finished the investigation. That's what you're saying?
Yes, Your Honor. It was...
Colonel Grijaldo,
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
di ba ang lokal po na police ang may responsibilidad na to maintain the peace in their area of jurisdiction?
Yes, Your Honor.
Which means that they have to be familiar with the place where they are assigned in order for them to be effective, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
And which means that if anything happens in your area of jurisdiction, you have to be the one to investigate, just like what happened to the assassination of Colonel Barayuga, correct?
Yes, Your Honor. But there is a responsible investigation on case, Your Honor, to respond or to conduct investigation in event there is a crime incident, Your Honor.
So, as to the assassination of Barayuga, you were the one who is primarily responsible for investigating it. Is it not correct?
As part of my command responsibility, Your Honor, I'll take on supervision on my investigator on case for that demise of police.
I'm sorry, you were the lead investigator?
There is a designated investigation on case, Your Honor, and I'm only supervising, and I could not intervene or influence my investigator on case for that incident, Your Honor.
So, you mean to say that you're still the supervisor of the investigator of that case?
Now there is a we have a organizational chart, Your Honor, and there is a chief of investigation who is sole responsible on all the personnel under his supervision, which is the investigator on case or all investigator under his unit, Your Honor. And overall in the police station, I am the police supervisor as the chief of police of that place, Your Honor.
When were you appointed as chief of police of Mandaluyong City?
July, on the month of July in that time, Your Honor, 2021 or 2021, Your Honor.
So you were already the chief of police during the assassination of Barayuga.
Yes, Your Honor.
How is this investigation started? How do you, such an assassination like what happened with Mr. Barayuga, how is the investigation started? Ano yung proseso po?
Yes, Your Honor. There was a radio call that there was a shooting incident that happened in that place. Immediately thereafter, we dispatched our personnel to conduct yung investigation or to go after of the to those perpetrators of the incident. I was in that place. I responded in that place also, Your Honor, and naabutan ko na lang, Your Honor, yung pick up tsaka yung isang victim on the passenger side, but the driver side was already evacuated as per the witnesses in that place, Your Honor. I myself immediately also go to look for any evidence or any thing that na baka may CCTV doon sa lugar, and we called up immediately yung SOCO para ma-preserve yung crime scene, Your Honor. Yun po yung ginawa namin that time, Your Honor.
So, can you repeat again who handled the investigation?
The duty investigator during that time, it was Police Executive Master Sergeant Punsalan, Your Honor.
And Police Executive Master Sergeant Punsalan reports to you as the Chief of Police.
What do you mean?
I mean that Punsalan is the investigator, correct?
Yes, Your Honor. Immediately, pag dinispatch po natin kasi yung investigator natin, he will do his job as an investigator. And immediately, we have the duty officer. It was during that time, Your Honor, it was a COVID that time. And most of our personnel and the same, I myself was staying at the police station. I live in the police station that time. So, nakapag-responde kami and we have this duty SDO, Police Captain Villarta, who also taking charge to do his job that time. And after gathering some information, what transpired immediately was for us to make a spot report. Just 5H and 5W and 1H muna yung ginagawa natin. Just to, there is a timeline that we are beating in the Camp Crame, lalo na pagka mga high crimes. We need to have at least within 1 hour we can make a report, a spot report on 5W and 1H only statement. Then we do the progress report, Your Honor, depending on the progress of the investigation, Your Honor, done by the IOC, Your Honor, on the investigator on case, Your Honor.
Yes, but as the Chief of Police of Mandaluyong City, would it be correct to say that the buck stops with you? Which means na ikaw yung may final word sa investigation?
No, Your Honor. What the investigator have done, or ginawa niya, Your Honor, yung ginawa niya yung report, kung ano yung niya, Your Honor, yun yung statement, Your Honor. I could not influence or give or to influence doon sa statement na gagawin niya. Kasi it will not make, or we cannot
pero
dun sa
Colonel Rialdo,
Your Honor.
paano ito natapos tong investigation na to?
Your Honor,
Sinong nagpasya na itigil yung investigation?
no, Your Honor, allow me, Your Honor, to elaborate further dun sa nangyari during the the incident happened July 30. On the next day, nagkaroon na ho tayo, sir, ng immediately thereafter, there is a creation of a Special Investigation Task Group or SITG, which is to unearth yung mga other evidences or sino yung madidiscover natin kung sino yung perpetrators that time of the incident. But nagkaroon ng consensus or consolidated effort with the district unit. So ang nag-assume ng overall control ng investigation is the SITG, Your Honor. And that time, I was just only a member of the SITG, Your Honor.
So yung nangyari, parang napunta na yung investigation sa SITG instead of sa iyo.
It's not me, Your Honor, to do the investigation. Just only the IOC, Your Honor, who is responsible. At the same time, Your Honor, it was carried on the SITG group. The investigator that time on the incident, the same investigator being appointed on the SITG, Your Honor.
Pero di ba ikaw yung office niyo yung nagsimula ng investigation? So pagkatapos nun, pinasa sa SITG or sa CITG?
Pinasa namin, Your Honor, kung ano yung initial nagawa namin investigation, and the CIDG was then also a part of the SITG, Your Honor. The composition of the SITG is the IOC of the station, I myself also a member, the D7 or the DIDM, the District Investigation Detective Management Unit, the CIDG, the SOCO, the overall chair of the SIDG, Your Honor, was the district operation, DRDO, we call it the DDO, Your Honor, Deputy for Operation, Your Honor.
So Colonel, kahit ikaw po yung nagsimula ng investigation,
Yes, Your Honor.
you were not the one who finished the investigation. That's what you're saying?
Yes, Your Honor. It was because in SITD, Your Honor, there is a need to compose and to comply within the period of 6 months. If it is not been
Pero tingin ko po, Colonel, na parang agad-agad na transfer yung investigation sa SITG. Is this correct?
no, Your Honor, it was the district director who take cognizance of the incident, Your Honor. So as just a station commander, Your Honor, I yield to the wisdom of the district director.
So you're saying that you did not terminate the investigation, but you yielded the investigation instead to the SITG.
The time is, Your Honor, there is a continuing effort on the station. I myself, together with other police officer, I give them task also to do some efforts, like I send them to take some affidavits of the security guard on PCSO, the personnel working with General Barayuga and other witnesses, the vehicle that bumped the
So
that
Colonel,
was bumped
you're saying that
time, Your Honor.
with all of these resources that are in your hands or within your reach, binitawan mo pa rin yung investigation at binigay sa SITG.
I mean, Your Honor, hindi naman ibig sabihin binitawan. Ibig sabihin, we just give the district the opportunity or to for us to have a better in the conduct of investigation, Your Honor, mapabuti kasi ang effort nun marami ng unit
Kasi
Hindi
sa
lang
tingin
yung
ko-
station. So mas mapapabuti po natin na ma-solve po yung problema, Your Honor, yung crime na nangyari.
Normal po ba na, do you usually do this, Colonel, na yung may mga high-profile cases like this one, binibigay agad sa CIDG or sa SITG?
Yes, Your Honor, there is a in the PNP operational manual, there is a creation of SITG every time incidents involving may mga high crimes, Your Honor, assassination
Kasi
or
Sa tingin ko
terrorism
po, parang
or whatever.
this is very concerning because parang pinapasa mo yung trabaho nyo na dapat ikaw yung gumawa, especially this investigation into the murder of Barayuga. I think that's irregular, Colonel Grijaldo. And gaya ng sinabi mo kanina, yung mga local police yung nasa pinakamagandang position to investigate crimes such as this because they are the ones with the most familiarity with the area. And now you're saying that it is normal procedure for you to just pass it on to the SITG. I find this really concerning and baka may personal na interest ka kung bakit ma-terminate agad yung investigation regarding sa pagpaslang kay Barayuga. Ayon sa PNP National Police, sa Philippine National Police Internal Affairs Service, may ongoing investigation ba regarding this sa pagpatay kay Barayuga? IAS?
Your Honor, we've been charged before the Internal Affairs Unit And
So you were charged
yes, Your
by
Honor.
the IAS.
Yes, Your Honor. We have administrative complaint for us, Your Honor. I have here with me the charge sheet. Administrative complaint against Police Colonel Grijaldo for neglect of duty, irregularity in the performance of duty, misconduct, incompetence, conduct, and becoming of police officers. We already submitted our counter affidavit on this incident, Your Honor.
When was that case filed by the Internal Affairs Service of the PNP?
We made to do the counter affidavit, Your Honor, last September, Your Honor.
Would you agree with me that the Internal Affairs Service would not have filed this case kung wala naman silang makikitang o nakitang anomalous or irregular activity during the investigation, di ba?
Hindi ko naman makasyon yung ang function ng IAS, Your Honor. So, it has the rightful job din ng IAS to conduct investigation and make charges on all personnel who being involved in that incident, Your Honor.
Colonel Rialdo, are you also under restrictive custody? And were you relieved from your post from the PDEG, PNP Drug Enforcement Group, because of the anomalies uncovered during the investigation?
No, Your Honor, I was still with the PDEG that time. And
That time when the Internal Affairs Service filed this administrative complaint against you, you were still with the PDEG.
yes, Your Honor.
How about now? Are you still with the PDEG?
We are not on a restrictive custody, Your Honor. It is a administrative. We still reporting to the PIHAW, Your Honor. It is a admin holding unit, Your Honor. Ang kinuha lang po sa amin na ano, Your Honor, is that we don't have a position to perform, Your Honor.
At ang mga... So would it be correct to say that you are being investigated right now by the IAS?
Yes, Your Honor. We have submitted already our counter affidavit, Your Honor. And
Tapos ang reason siguro ng IAS ay dahil meron kayong pinagtatakpan. Is that correct? Is that one of the reasons for this investigation by the IAS?
hindi ko po hindi po ako pwede mag-assume dun sa investigation. I-preempt natin yung investigation ng IAS, Your Honor, because they are still conducting on the liability on the those personnel being investigated on this case, Your Honor.
Colonel Rialdo, kilala mo, do you know Colonel David Puklay?
Yes, Your Honor.
At nung nakaraang Quadcom hearing, parehas kayong tinanong tungkol sa investigation regarding sa assassination ni Barayuga. Is that correct?
Just I could not remember, Your Honor.
Do you remember that you were asked regarding the findings of the SITG? Nung sa last na Quadcom hearing, do you remember na may tinanong sa'yo regarding sa findings sa SITG?
Your Honor, hindi ko na matandaan, Your Honor, kung natanong po ako regarding do sa result ng SITG. Because as far as I know, Your Honor, the investigation conducted by the SITG was turned over to CIDG, Your Honor, after a period of 6 months, Your Honor.
Do you remember na yung tinanong ka tungkol sa mga natuklasan yung posibleng motibo, ang sagot mo noon ay dalawa lang ang natuklasan yung motibo, di ba? Na work-related or personal grudge. Do you remember that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And during-
Kindly wrap up, Congressman Son.
During the last Quadcom hearing, hindi mo man lang binanggit na meron palang alegasyon na sangkot ng droga, allegedly, si Mr. Barayuga.
Yes, Your Honor. I could not confirm that he was involved in the or in the drug list, Your Honor. Yung sinasabi po natin, Your Honor, na kung yung knowledge lang po namin, Your Honor, sa Intel, just confined within our area of jurisdiction, Your Honor.
Yung sa investigation report nyo na that you submitted, did you include the fact that Mr. Barayuga was part of the watch list? Was that part of the drugs watch list?
Hindi ko na po ano yung napag-usapan doon, Your Honor, doon sa pag wrapping up or the nung karoon na ng ano, Your Honor, yung resolution yung SITG. I was already relieved as Chief of Police of Mandaluyong, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair.
Just a manifestation, Mr. Chair, because based on this interpellation, it would seem that the witness has a propensity to withhold crucial information and he always claims that he has no knowledge of the matter, notwithstanding the fact that there is evidence to controvert his statements. And ito ay nakakabahala at posible namang maging hadlang sa ating investigasyon kasi gusto lang talaga natin yung katotohanan. No more questions, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Suwan. Just
Mr. Chairman,
DSJJ, I just would like to ask a very short question to Colonel Grijalde in relation to the questions asked by Congressman Suwan. Doon ba sa investigasyon nyo, you were the Chief of Police ng Mandaluyong when the Barayuga assassination happened, correct?
Yes, sir.
And base sa inyong investigasyon sa nangyaring yun, ano ang posibleng motibo sa pagpatay kay kay General Barayuga?
Your Honor, hindi na nga po ako na-discuss during the ng SITG report because I was not already that time.
And whose orders the SITG was formed? Is it the Chief of Police or somebody higher than you?
On the district level, Your Honor.
So and who was that?
The district director, Your Honor.
And he was the district director at that time.
Just I could not remember the...
Imposible naman kaya hindi mo matandaan yung immediate superior mo.
Just I'll check, Your Honor.
Check, I'll give you 30 seconds. Please check.
Yes, Your Honor. Check ko lang, Your Honor.
No, hindi man ka panipaniwala na hindi mo matandaan kung sino yung superior mo. If you're trying to cover up for someone, do it in the most professional way, so to speak. I don't know if there is really a professional way to do that, but there is some semblance of cover-up.
The letter order number 1657, the subject matter is the composition of SITG regarding Wesley Barayuga. It was by the command of Police Brigadier General Almasan, Your Honor.
General Almasan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pagka sinabi ba District Director which covers the area of Mandaluyong, ito ba ay part of the NCR?
Yes, Your
So-
Honor. Pamarisan, Your Honor. Pasig, Marikina, Eastern po, sir. Yes, sir.
So Eastern, and that time the Eastern Police District Director was General
Almasan, Your Honor.
Almasan, and
Opo, Your Honor.
siya nag-order na mag-create ng SITG.
Yes, Your Honor.
So did you not conduct an immediate initial investigation on that assassination incident that happened within your area of jurisdiction? Wala ka bang ginawang investigasyon?
Nag-conduct din po kami ng investigation, Your Honor. We were able to get affidavits of those duty that time in PCSO. I was able to extract the CCTV on the fronting the crime scene, Your Honor.
So what is shown on TV yung sa side eh?
Yeah, Your
So you have
Honor. It was
another-
the establishment, Your Honor.
Meron kang another video.
Ano, Your Honor? It was only the CCTV that time in the establishment on the side, Your Honor.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what was the finding? What was your findings in your initial investigation?
Yung inano namin, Your Honor, yung perpetrators, Your Honor, sinundan namin yun, binacktrack din namin. Umabot hanggang dun sa Guadalupe, yung CCTV ng MMDA, Your Honor. We have taken also CCTV from
And
MMDA.
what was the conclusion of your what were your findings? Anong findings niyo? Anong motibo sa pagpatay sa kanya?
We were on the personal drugs, Your Honor, and work-related, Your Honor, that time na na-establish namin. Then it was forwarded, Your Honor. It was taken by the SITG already.
Did you put in your report that he was involved in the drugs, or was he involved in the drugs watch list? Did you put that in your report?
Just I could not remember, Your Honor, if it was put on record or on the investigation report done by the investigator or the IOC, Your Honor.